Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix the Outlook send receive error. Step 1, close Outlook and open Services. Then open the search menu on your computer and type in Services. The best match should be Services. Go ahead and open it. Step 2, check Google Update Services. Scroll down in the list and look for the Google Update Services. There might be more than one For each one, make sure the startup type is set to automatic and that the service is running. If any of them aren't running, go ahead and start them. In the past, there used to be just one Google Update service, but now you might see several. Make sure all entries that say Google Update or Google Updater service are set up correctly. Step 3, restart and test Outlook. Once you're done, close the services window, restart your computer, then launch Outlook again. Hopefully the issue has been resolved. I do hope it helped you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.